Hey guys, I'm on the final piece of grade 2 for the brand new Trinity Drum Kit syllabus 2020 to 2023. I've consulted several sources and the common consensus is that this is called No Nanigo. If I butchered that, I'm sorry, but it's an Afro-Cuban feel, again from Mike Osborne, and it's in 6/8. So I was kind of expecting it to have snares off or something, but it doesn't, so you don't need to turn off your snare. But as with all of these pieces, there's a lot of detail, there's a lot of attention paid to dynamics, so once you're able to play the piece, make sure you're paying attention to the dynamics on it. Okay, so it's in 6/8, so with the counting it's going to be, I should mention as well, accents play a big part in this. So you want to make sure that you're paying attention to those, because they change the feel completely once you get the accents correct. So we start out in 6/8, all in the snare, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then you got 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Bass drum underneath all those accents. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now here's the feel for Group A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's ba, 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 ba. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 5 and 6. 7 and 8 is the same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 9 and 10 is the same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, those 3 2-bar phrases, even though they're the same, they go from piano up to forte. So it almost sounds like it's coming closer to you. That's a weird way to describe it, but it's the way I would think about it, that it sounds like it's far away on 5, and then as it gets closer on 7, and then even right in your face at 9, it sounds like this. I mean, I know I'm on silent stroke heads here, so maybe my volume isn't coming across as clearly, but I'm going to try my best. So from 5 it's 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then on, that was 10, so 11 and 12 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So make sure that you get that pattern right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, then we're back into the same pattern that we had on 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, a little bit tricky there on that last bar. 1, 2, 3. Not common that we'd start a fill with the second rack down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, different feel now. We're going to be bell of right cymbal. That's up in the center. You don't want to be out washing out and kind of removing from the feel of this. This is pingy. Ping, ping. So you got, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So just 21 and 22. Do that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and then 23. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You'll hear my 4 is popped there, and it changes the feel. Okay, that's 25, 26. So now 27 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nice little fill. Okay, now we have a similar feel on 29, except we're starting on the floor tom with the left hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, what was that? Okay, so we got our fill on 35. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then 36. 1, 2, evenly 4. So that is a tripletized kind of squeeze it in there. It doesn't really have a count value. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you got to get comfortable at that. There's not a whole lot of moving. The right hand on the snare, the left hand on the rack tom, the right hand on the floor tom. So the hand doesn't really have to move, it just has to twitch over. John Bonham was famous for these. 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So going from 33 will be 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3, 4, 5, 6. 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, evenly 4, 5, 6. Okay, so that's the end of section B, and the outro, I guess, is section C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2. Okay, so this is right hand on the floor tom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The same pattern gets repeated then for 39 with the left hand up on the second rack tom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. And it's at mezzo forte this time instead of mezzo piano. And then the left hand moves over to the first rack tom for 41, and it's loud forte. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then the final two bars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's the whole piece. So it's a fun piece to play. It doesn't have a backing track, but you do have to play it at 83 BPM, so do your best with that. It's a fun one. Well done again, Mike Osborne. Good put together of a piece there. An enjoyable one to learn as well, and lots of skills picked up in it. I'm going to do a playthrough of it now in a separate video using the metronome to stay at exactly the 83 BPM as a performance piece. So if you've learned the piece, go practice with that. If you need any help with any other pieces, let me know what they are. If I haven't got them done, I will do them. And thanks for watching, guys. Any of the previous pieces from this will be in the playlist that this video is attached to. So that will be all of the grade 1, and this is the final in grade 2. So we're getting through it. It's a lot of work learning all these new pieces and performing them and doing videos for them. But I feel like these videos are going to get used because people are going to start learning this syllabus, and it's going to be nice for them to have something online that details everything and talks about it and almost teaches the pieces as well. Like there's no replacing an actual lesson with a good teacher, but if you're motivated and you want to learn something, it can be frustrating when you can't figure it out. So these videos could be good for that, and the playthroughs are great for honing your skill on it. Thanks for watching, guys, and hopefully I'll get these edited and uploaded as quick as possible and moving on to grade 3. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in grade 3. Bye.